Alright, this is Don with Olmec Reflections. We're in doing some slate floors today. We're pulling up the old sealant and putting new on. So let's flip this thing around. So we can see right in here, let me switch hands real quick. That right there is the old sealant. So it is, I would say, not the proper sealant. You can see it out here. So it is just topical, and it didn't penetrate into the tile. So it has basically no protection. So we're going to get this off, get it all cleaned up, and we're going to put some Stone Text product on it and get this sealed up properly. So we'll scrub it off. It's only 400 and some square feet, so just do it by hand. Take our time. Let the product, we are using Cleansol. It's a Stone Tech product, so they work pretty good for us. And this has been down for about 10 minutes, and you can see that it's just rolling that stuff right off the floor. So these floors, so we can put any kind of sealant we want on it. And what I mean by that is we can put anything that, we can put gloss sealant on it. We have chose something that doesn't put a gloss on the floor. So we have options with Stone Tech. So if you got some slate floors in your house, you need them cleaned up, and get the proper sealant on them, give us a call, 513-817-1700. We'll show you the end product here in a minute. All right, guys. See ya.